Today, I'll walk you through how to add a module in Make, step by step, so you can start building powerful automations with confidence. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, log into Make by opening your browser and heading to the Make website. Then sign into your account and access your workspace. Once you're in, click Scenarios from the left-hand navigation menu to open your list of existing automation setups. Take a moment to review any scenarios you already have, or if you're starting fresh, click Create a new scenario to begin a brand new automation. Alternatively, you can open an existing scenario where you want to add a new module. This brings you to the Scenario Builder Canvas, which is the visual workspace where you create and edit your automation workflows. You'll see a large plus button on the canvas. If you already have some modules in your scenario, look for the plus icon beside an existing module, because clicking that will let you add another step right after it. Go ahead and click that plus icon to open the module selection window, which lists all the apps and tools Make can connect to. In the search bar at the top of this window, type the name of the application you want to connect. For instance, you could search for Gmail, Google Sheets, Airtable, Slack, or MailerLite. When you see the app you need, click it and Make will display all available modules for that application. Now you'll need to choose a module type based on what you want the module to do. Common types include trigger modules, which start your scenario when something happens, search modules, which look up data, action modules, which perform a specific task, and universal or API modules for more custom needs. Next, select the specific module you want, such as watch new rows, create a record, send an email, search contacts, or update a row. If this is your first time using this app in Make, you'll need to create a connection by clicking Create a Connection and authorizing Make to access that service. Once connected, configure the module by completing the required settings. The fields you see will vary depending on the module you chose, so take your time to fill them in correctly. You'll also need to select the appropriate resource for the module, like a specific spreadsheet, email account, database, or project board. If you're using a trigger module, configure what event should start the scenario, such as when a new email is received, a new form is submitted, or a new spreadsheet row is added. For action modules, specify exactly what should happen, like creating a task, sending a message, or updating a record. When everything is set, click Save within the Module Settings window, and the module will be added to your scenario. Now, take a look at the canvas to confirm the module appears in the correct position and is properly connected to other modules. You can click another plus icon to continue building your automation with additional modules. To test everything, click Run once and verify that the module performs the expected action. Finally, review the data returned by the module to confirm the information is correct and complete. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to add a module in Make to extend your automations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.